Good day everyone, my name is Andre P. Camposano from the IT2B. Today I will show you the wiring using Arduino board in Tinkercad app, and I will show you the light fading and sequencing and on-off delay installation. So let's start. First, you put the resistor here and then next the LED. So now we need to do the wiring. And the 5 voltage will be connected to the positive, then the ground. To the negative. Then we will connect the resistor, the Arduino board. Okay, so here is the code, and start simulation. Okay, may problema. Pause ni. Pause ni. So as you can see, the light fades. Okay, stop and start. This installation is called light fading. So next is the sequencing. Okay, we need 6 resistors and 6 LEDs. Same as the light fading, we put the resistor here and the LED. So let's proceed to the wiring. High voltage will be in the positive, in the ground, the negative. Then the resistor. So it's all set up. Then the code. This is the code, the end timer. So start simulation. So the light is sequence. And stop. That's it for the sequence. Then last is the on-off delay. So start to the wiring, 5 voltage, connect it to the switch, then ground. To the resistor to switch to the Arduino, then Arduino to the resistor to the lead, then lead to the ground. Okay. Okay. So we're done in wirings, the code. So let's start the simulation. And wait. Okay, you can see the light, then automatically off when it reaches the 6 seconds. So the light automatically off when it reaches 6 seconds. And that's all for our on-off delay, and we're done. That's all, and thank you.